Today I will be showing some of these. You might have seen the giant thing over there. I will get to that sooner. First we have a lamp monster with a lot of teeth and sharp claws. It's all that basic stuff. Next we got a monster that holds a minigun with its legs. This poor doggy, he doesn't know what's waiting for him. By the way, mom gave me some apples, so I'm just gonna, okay. Next we have a futuristic, I don't know what to call it, a tank or some sort. It has a motorized engine of its own, a flat engine. Gigantic bathtubs on the corners of it, on the sides, so it's basically armor. And this gigantic thing, and 2 flamethrowers. Next we have this giant thing that is called KG-7000. Yes, that's his name. Let's go from the bottom up, baby. Yeah. On the bottom floor, as you can see, we have a minigun that when it rotates, it reloads another minigun. Double minigun, I call that. Next we have even more miniguns and a machine that regenerates the bullets of the machine gun. We also have some ammo to fill in this machine so we can get more machine gun power. But now the machine is blocked by that machine gun. Yes, yeah. Next floor we have tank cannon ammo for this right here. And a lot of ammo for this, and yeah, it's not that much, but that's when you get to the top floor. Please don't squish me. Okay, up we go. Here we are. There's ammo here, there's ammo there. 4 to 6. We have a shooter here for this little cannon, another shooter for this double cannon. And the shooter is me. I shoot this thing. And yeah, it is a lot. It looks amazing. It can be used in World War 536. It is huge. Let's save the game. And now let's say goodbye. Bye bye. Puta da ba, puta da ba, to, puta da ba, tu 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 tu.